So I released a video last week on the potential of blockchain to revolutionize or disrupt the construction industry. And I got quite a lot of negative feedback from that video. Many people unsubscribe because that's how you show your disapproval on YouTube. You hit that dislike button and unsubscribe from the person's channel. Like, see, I've shown them.
How do you know people unsubscribed?
You can see how many people unsubscribe from each video.
So you lost subscribers
I
for
lost
that?
subscribers because of that.
Wow.
So I got comments telling me that I need to go back, do some more research into blockchain and cryptocurrency and how it's all a scam, and make another video fixing my views and rethinking my life and all that stuff, that it was such a controversy.
Well, just to be clear, you've never given your opinion on cryptocurrencies.
That's the point. That video wasn't on cryptocurrency. It wasn't on Bitcoin or meme coins or any of the fraud that's occurring in that space. It was on blockchain, the underlying software behind it, and it was the potential use of blockchain in construction.
And unfortunately, those two cannot be decoupled right now.
Because there's just so much noise in that space. People associate one with the other. And I get it. I was one of the cynics for the longest time. And when I finally looked into blockchain and I started matching it with my views in construction, I saw that its potential, and I changed my views, which is what we do as humans. You change and evolve. So the reason I took such a biased stance on this whole blockchain and construction, I wasn't as critical towards it like I usually am with other technologies or products, is because of my personal experience. Like in 2017, I started writing scripts. That's the first time I started diving into automation. And I started writing Dynamo and Python scripts, and I was working at an architecture firm at the time. And I was always told to stop, that what I was doing wasn't worth the time, because I was sick of doing the same thing 10 to 50 times over. I wanted to do it once with a click of a button. But the time invested in building the scripts wasn't valued. Everyone around me would have preferred to just keep doing the same thing over and over, just mindless work. I had to fight to show people its value. And I feel like we've seen that in both the first and second digitization revolutions. In the first digitization revolution, the switch from hand drawing to computer modeling, everyone romanticized hand drawings and said you can't achieve the same depth with CAD drawings. You can't see the layers and the line thicknesses and see what's in front, what's behind, and there's such personality to hand drawings, and all that is lost with computer drawings. And eventually we all moved to computer drawings. In the second digitization revolution, moving from 2D to 3D, again, people didn't see the value in 3D. They said, no, we can just draw elevations, draw sections, repeat the same thing over and over. When you make a change in a plan, they didn't mind just making the change in every single section and every single elevation instead of just automatically seeing the changes. And I worked at those kind of architecture firms. And I don't want to be those kind of architects. I don't want to be that kind of person. And now in this third stage of digitization, I feel like the blockchain is the future. So not just automation in construction, like with 3D printing and all that, but automation in the software realm too. So yeah, maybe I wasn't as objective as I am with other videos. I was a little more subjective, but I don't think as human beings we can ever be purely objective, because our opinions are shaped by our past experiences, by our beliefs and values. And if yours are different than mine, then that's fine.